Bitcoin Cash BCH is a decentralized computerized money and a fork of the Bitcoin blockchain, planning to build the versatility and convenience of the first Bitcoin organization, taking into consideration cheaper and cheaper exchanges. Assuming you're searching for Bitcoin Cash cost expectations conjecture for 2024, 2025, 20 Jabber and need to know where the cost of Bitcoin Cash BCH will go from here on out. We will break down the past costs of Bitcoin Cash BCH and we'll figure out what Jibber are talking about its future cost activities. Kindly remember that you really want to take this expectation and each and every Jibber with the goal that this is just the idea of some market master experts. Also anticipating something so wonderful is Jibber unthinkable. However, we will make an honest Jabber. We should begin. As per the most recent information accumulated, the ongoing cost of Bitcoin Cash is $354.49 an ointment is at present Jabber hash 15 in the whole crypto environment. The flow supply of Bitcoin Cash is 19,745,194 with a Jibber of $6,999,538,745. With an expansion in its exchanging volume and market cap, the Bitcoin Cash's cost has shown a decent increment of 2.81 Jabber as of now. Bitcoin Jibber is confronting a tough time jumping aboard with other crypto coins. The BCH is down to nearly 2.46 Jibber over the most recent 7 days. The coin is as yet showing gambling with outlining Jibber for recent days. The coin could areas of strength for have at the same time. We don't feel that it would a productive resource in present moment. Bitcoin Cash Benefit Number Cruncher is a free instrument that permits you to quickly assess the presentation of your BCH possessions by Jibber likely benefits and misfortunes in light of fluctuating business sector costs. Basically enter the sum you have contributed, the purchasing cost, and the sell value, charge, and our BCH Jibber computer will wrap up. We foresee future Bitcoin Cash cost expectations conjecture by applying profound computerized reasoning helped specialized investigation on the past value information of Jibber Cash. We give a valiant effort to gather greatest verifiable information for the Jibber coin, which incorporate various boundaries like past value, Bitcoin Cash market cap, Bitcoin Cash volume, and scarcely any more. Assuming you are hoping to put resources into computerized cryptographic forms of money and need great profit from your ventures, make a point to peruse our Jabber. Bitcoin Applesauce Value Jibber Rundown. The negative cost expectation for Bitcoin Cash BCH in 2025 is $599 Jibber cents, with a likely high of $723.31. Bitcoin Cash is right now valued at $354.49 Jibber on the lookout. The typical extended cost for Bitcoin Cash in 2030 is supposed to be $14,218, with possible fluctuation Jabber in the range of $4,107 and $14,743. Our Bitcoin Cash long-haul figure for 2050 recommends BCH possibly Jibber somewhere in the range of $173,107 and $221,494. Experts Jibber a bullish pattern for Bitcoin Cash in 2040, with costs possibly coming to $129,248 mark. Bitcoin Cash Value Jibber 2024. As per our profound specialized examination on past value information of BCH, in 2024 the cost of Bitcoin Jabber is anticipated to reach at any rate level of $413.08. The BCH cost can arrive at a most extreme degree of $449.02 with a typical exchanging cost of $427.13 Jibber. Jibber Cash Value Forecast 2025. According to the figure and specialized examination, in 2025 the cost of Bitcoin Cash is supposed to reach at least value worth of 599 Jabber 16 cents. The BCH cost can arrive at a most extreme value worth of $723.31 Jibber with a typical worth of $620.51. Jibber Value Gauge for 2026. The cost of Jibber Cash is anticipated to reach at the very least worth of $853.26 in 2026. The ointment Jibber cost could arrive at a most extreme worth of $1,055 with a typical exchanging cost of $884.29 all through 2026. Bitcoin Cash BCH Value Jibber 2027. According to the figure cost and specialized examination, in 2027 the cost of Bitcoin Cash is anticipated to reach at any rate level of $1,200 and Jabber $5. The BCH cost can arrive at a most extreme degree of $1,510 with the Jibber exchanging cost of $1,310. Bitcoin Gibber Value Forecast 2028. Bitcoin cash cost is estimate to arrive at a least conceivable degree of 1,814 Gibber in 2028. According to our disappointment, the Jabber cost could arrive at a most extreme conceivable degree of $2,211 with the typical estimate cost of $1,867. Bitcoin Cash Value Gibber 2029. The cost of Bitcoin Cash is Gibber to reach at least degree of $2,672 in 2029. The Bitcoin Cash cost can arrive at a greatest degree of 3,100 Gibber $1 with the typical cost of $2,766 all through 2029. Gibber Cash BCH Value Forecast 2030. The cost of Bitcoin Cash is Gibber to reach at any rate worth of $4,107 in 2030. The Bitcoin Cash cost could arrive at a greatest worth of $4,743 with the Gibber exchanging cost of $4,218 all through 2030. Bitcoin Cash Value Figure 20 Gibber 1. The cost of 1 Bitcoin Cash is supposed to reach at least degree of $6,020 in 20 Gibber 1. The Gibber cost can arrive at a greatest degree of $7,176 with the typical cost of $6,188 all through 2031. Bitcoin Cash BCH Value Gibber 20 Papaya 2. Bitcoin Cash cost is figured to arrive at a least conceivable degree of $8,424 in 20 Gibber 2. Gibber to our discoveries, the BCH cost could arrive at a greatest conceivable degree of $10,189 with a typical estimate cost of $8,734. Bitcoin Cash Value Forecast 20 Gibber 3. As per our disappointment Gibber examination on past value information of BCH, in 2033 the cost of Bitcoin Cash is estimated to be at around a base worth of $12,588. The Bitcoin Cash value worth can arrive at a Gibber of $15,086 with a typical exchanging worth of $12,938 in USD. Bitcoin Gibber Value Estimate 2040. Long haul forecast Gibber to be drawn nearer with alert because of the intrinsic vulnerabilities in the cryptographic money market. Broadening and remaining informed about the most recent improvements are key systems for overseeing chances related with long haul Gibber speculations. According to our Gibber cost forecast, the year 2040 can end with a most extreme cost of $129,248, while the base value worth of a Bitcoin Cash can be around $80,250 Gibber $3 with the coin exchanging at a typical cost of $99,750 approximately. Gibber Value Figure for 2050. Understanding business sector patterns and Gibber is pivotal, however opinion can be whimsical. Looking at current market elements can offer experiences into potential cost developments. However, taking into account the more extensive Jabber is fundamental. In 2050, the greatest cost of Bitcoin Cash is supposed to reach $221